going to be testing fridge water and strawberry still water. Activate the machine. So today we bought, a couple of days ago, we bought this water electrolyzer on Amazon. We are going to be testing fridge water, strawberry still, Volvic, Ice Valley, Pure Life, and Ashbeck English. So I have tested this a couple times in the past, if you're wondering, and if it goes like green after a while, that means it's most likely stuff that is not good for you, and I would recommend just to stop drinking it in person. We wanted to get this to see what's in our water so we can get it, like see everything that comes out is in it. And some waters are worse, but we just wanted to film this video for YouTube because, well, it might be good. And we can get lots of people's attention for, yeah. And, yeah, let's keep having a look. So, the fridge water is looking a bit brownish. The strawberry still, it's holding up. It's looking a bit cloudy, which means it's got some stuff. Oh, it's going a bit green. But this is what is most likely in your local fridge water. So, if you would like to stop drinking it, stop drinking it. And, well, that looks like it's probably going to be done. We can turn it off now. Now we are going to move to the next thing. Next we have Volvic and Ice Valley. It's looking good. Let's just get this all ready, guys. Bear with me. We'll just be a couple of minutes, maybe. Let's get this back on. See what's in our waters. Activate the machine. So on the left we have Volvic, on the right we have Ice Valley. So far it's looking good. That needs turning. Volvic's going a bit whitish. The Ice Valley is going a bit greenish. Well, yeah. It's looking a bit weird. But yeah. Let's keep watching. It's looking pretty good so far. The Ice Valley is going a bit greenish yellow. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day so far. But it's been a nice summer so far. Some people are going back to school, including me. But yeah, this is to show what's in your water if you would like to know, and you would probably know because it will be in the title most likely, and yeah. The Volvic is looking quite yellowish. Yellow normally means it's got lots of like it's quite dirty, but yeah, we have tested this a couple of times, so that might be why. So yeah, and we have is looking a lot greenish. I think it's about done now. Let's turn it off and let's go. Put that there. Put this here. And leave that back there. Now we have the final two. Pure Life and Ashbeck English. Let's see what's in it. And we are going to turn it on. Let's keep looking. The Ashbeck English is looking good so far. The Pure Life is looking a bit yellowish. They're both looking a bit yellowish now. If I had to recommend a commercial water, I would recommend you should probably get Buxton. That is the best water we've tested so far. It's the cleanest. So, yeah. Some people also think that it might be minerals, but I doubt it, because who would have minerals that are looking like that over there? They're both looking really similar right now. That's a bit weird. They're both looking like urine a little bit, but that's what you're drinking, I guess, if you drink Ashbeck or Pure Life. When we went to get these, I've had a lot of faith in Pure Life, but now I don't really like it as much. And I think that's basically done for today. Bye guys, have a great day.